And still on security matters, police in Mtwapa have confiscated bundles of fake money. Kilifi police boss Fredrick Ochieng said the money was found stashed in a house in Shanzu. The fake currency was in denominations of 1,000 shilling notes and were packed in bundles of 500,000 shillings to a total of 6 million shillings. The manhunt for the suspect is underway, and elsewhere in Mtwapa, police nabbed bhang worth over 300,000 shillings in Mtomondoni area. Now, 2 suspects are in custody, and police say that they will be arraigned once investigations are complete.
I would like to advise members of the public, particularly those within Mtwapa here, to know that with the discovery of this fake currency, we honestly believe that there is circulation of fake currency. So people should be watchful.